आगे चलेगा डायरेक्टर है क्या, किस बारे में, थोड़ा स्नैप अगर पता चले स्टार्टिंग में।
Okay, so Raikar case is about this one family where एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है जिसपे you have doubt कि किसी ने भी किया हो सकता है. So it's a drama, it's a thriller which keeps you on the edge of your seat. There's a lot that's happening जिसके अंदर there are many emotions. So it is literally something जो सबके लिए हो सकता है. Something you can take from it. It's about a family, how family में कितनी situations होती हैं ऐसी जिसमें you feel like कि हमारी family के साथ नहीं हो सकता, but सबकी family में ऐसा कुछ चल रहा होता है. We have our director who will do the best talking here. Please, Arthur sir.
On their behalf?
Yeah, on our behalf. Yes.
So, okay, what is the talking that is happening
What
already?
is Raikar
What
case?
is Raikar family about?
Oh, sir, Riker case. So it's basically every family in India or the world over. You realize every family has secrets to hide. They all, and this is a joint family, the Riker case. So when you have a joint family living together and it's a very industrialist big family set up in Goa, this family has its own secrets also, and a lot of them. And the story starts with a boy, the youngest in the family, who dies. And now who's done the actual, who's driven him to his death, or who's been the guy responsible within the family, is basically forms the crux of the show. And you have a cop who's Neil Bublam, who's trying to investigate and trying to find who the killer within the family is. So it's very relatable in terms of a family crime thriller genre, which I think is not been done in Indian space a lot. We've always seen family shows being very dramatic shows, or we've seen like very Saas Bahu shows, or we've seen, so this is a show that you will have interpersonal relationships also being explored, like who's kiska kaun kya hai, so you'll know when you see the show that whose daughter is Parul and whose son is him, and what she's playing and how he comes in, and how Manoa features into the show. But it's got a very interesting dynamics of a family in it, and how the family connects with each other, and how they all have in a certain way something to contribute to the death of this very innocent young boy. That's the show.
See, very well said.
Okay, as an artist आप सभी से जानना चाहूँगा,
हाँ
do you
जी.
think the digital platform give more opportunity to explore the character in the web series?
एक तरह से हाँ, because you have a lot of projects that are coming up, so you get options, and so more than characters ना, I feel writers get liberty to write what they want. अब writers जब अच्छे characters लिखते हैं, so we actors get lucky, and then we have directors like him who just take that script and make it into something. So writers have more liberty in a digital space, which I truly feel exists.
I think any medium, it really depends on who's telling the story. It really depends on the storytellers.
I think as a medium of the OTT platform, which caters to the upwardly mobile audience, the aspirational audience, automatically the kind of stories that are written have lots of shades of grey, which are very interesting to play as an actor. So that's what I feel becomes a very important and interesting opportunity for all of us.
I would like to add to this, like a very interesting thought here. The ensemble that is in the show, or the ones that is standing here in front of you as actors, web gives a space for people from different school of acting coming together and being a part of one show. Like you have them doing theatre and cinema and television Marathi. She's been in one of the most well seen shows, the earliest on television. He has been a part of some number of good big hit shows on Hindi television, and she's been a very web space flag bearer as a young prodigy there. So I feel a show that gives a chance for this interesting lot to come together and try their hand at being a unit. This can only happen on web. It can't happen on TV so easily, or even in a film so easily. But to happen in web, it gives opportunities for different actors to come on one common platform and try their hand at something very new.
And if it works, we always end up having a season 2, which doesn't happen generally with movies or television shows in India as of now.
Which I'm sure will happen with the Riker case.
I hope so.
Okay, आज हमने सुना कि गोवा में शॉट हुआ है, तो आपका शूट कितनी कुछ मजा मस्ती आपने की, any sort of memories you want to share?
ये लोग बताएंगे, हम काम कर रहे थे, ये मजा मस्ती कर
आई
रहे
थिंक
थे.
हम लोग ने पार्टी ज़्यादा किया है और शूट बहुत कम किया है overall. But to add to your question, I think I wanted to say that OTT explores a lot of genres. So we are not stuck to one kind of drama or program. so which allows you to give a different kind of narrative, different kind of shows, and therefore a lot of actors get a lot of different opportunities. Also 10 episodes, number of seasons, which also means that each character has a longer track and character to flesh out and more time to prepare than television. So in both ways it's the better part of TV and the better part of cinema that OTT brings overall.
मुझे लगता है कि उतना डिफ़िकल्ट भी है क्योंकि लोगों के पास वो रुक के देख सकते हैं, पीछे जा सकते हैं, तो आपको बहुत प्रिसाइजली करेक्ट भी होना पड़ता है। फिल्मों की तरह नहीं कि आप देख रहे हो और फिल्म ख़त्म हो गई, तो वैसा नहीं है थिएटर में जाके जो हम लोग करते हैं। OTT पे हम लोगों को बहुत प्रिसाइजली, बहुत मतलब करेक्ट, सब करेक्ट ही होना चाहिए। और ये भी है कि आपका काम उतना इंटरेस्टिंग भी होना चाहिए, वरना लोग पहले एपिसोड में ही वो देख के आगे के नहीं दे सकते। तो उनके पास उतनी हम लोगों ने पावर दे रखी है इसमें, तो दोनों तरफ इक्वलिटी है, तो उसकी मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, उसका इस पे भी असर हो रहा है, लोगों पे भी असर हो रहा है। तो
Yes,
ये
sir.
तो स्ट्रीम
Please
होगा
tell us.
अगले महीने, होपफुली मिड अप्रैल। एंड जैसे वुड सेलेक्ट पे आपको काफ़ी 30 ऑड शोज़ देखने को मिलेंगे, तो ये उनमें से एक होगा। और ये अगले महीने मिड अप्रैल तक होपफुली वुड सेलेक्ट पे आएगा और सबको पसंद आएगा। और अगर पसंद आया तो इसका सीज़न 2 भी होगा, और जब वो होगा तभी आएगा। पर आई फील एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, ऑल ऑफ अस आर एक्साइटेड एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग दिस शो टुगेदर, बिकॉज हमने शूट करके 1 साल हो गया है, तो हम भी सब एक्साइट हो गए कि चलो अभी हमने 1 साल पहले जो किया था वो अभी कैसे आएगा।
एंड फन फैक्ट, हमने आप सबके साथ ही ट्रेलर अभी देखा है, सो हमने भी नहीं देखा था ये ट्रेलर पहले।
ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस।
यस,
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।